Okay, we are going to continue our place value practice today. This is standard form, and we're going to practice going from standard form to expanded form. So we have 9,264. So I'm going to take my first digit, 9. There's 1, 2, 3 digits behind it. So I need 1, 2, 3 zeros behind it, plus the value of the hundreds place. 2 in the hundreds is 200, 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, plus 60, plus the last digit 4. Okay, so now we're going to go from expanded form into standard form. Here's a little trick. If you take the biggest place value that you see, in this case it's the first one, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I know there's a comma after that second one. So if I just count all the digits in the biggest number, then I just draw that many lines. I know that 5 is the biggest. And then I go to the next one, 7,000. That would go right there. I go to the next one, 100. I have 30 plus 2. So I put my 3 and 2. So 50,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2 is 57,132. Okay. And if you look, it's adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in your standard form. So remember, this blue is expanded form, and then this is standard form. Expanded, standard. Okay. But what happens if sometimes they don't give you all 5 place values added up? Sometimes they skip. So in this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers that are being added. But when I look at this biggest number, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Okay, so you're still going to do the same thing. There's 5 digits, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your comma. Now this 2 will go in the 10,000s place. Next, I need my thousands. Oh, but look right here. That's 800. 0, 0, 8. So do I have any thousands? It goes to the tens and then to the ones. I don't have any thousands, so I'm just going to put a 0 right there. So 20,000 plus 20,000 plus 800 plus 50. There's my tens plus 6 is in standard form 20,856. Okay, so if you draw your lines to match the digits in the greatest number, that way you know that you have the correct number of digits in your number. So in the case that, like this one, it skips the thousands, because there's 0 thousands, you'll know to put a 0 there. Because some people make this mistake. They'll just say 2856, 2856. But if I do that, I get 2,856. But see, this is 20,000. So that's why you can't just always go get that first digit and create the number. So that does not work. That's why I have you draw the lines so that it makes you look for, are there any zeros? And in this case, yes, in the thousands place, there will be a 0. Okay, same thing down here. Here's my expanded form in blue. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. But in my biggest number, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Okay, so draw your lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your comma between the thousands and hundreds place. Start with my biggest. Okay, that's 10,000. Okay, I'm going to put a 1 in my 10,000s place. Next, I have 8,000. Okay, 8 in my thousands place. The next, I have 90. 90. There's no hundreds between the 8,000 and the 90. Thousands, tens. There's no hundreds. So in my hundreds place, I'm going to have to insert a 0. Then 90, see that 10 digit behind it? So I know that 9 has to go right here. And then my 1's placed too. So 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 90 plus 2 is 18,092. So again, if you try to just go 1892, 1892, what you've created is 1,892, but we don't want 1,800 because this is 10,000 and 8,000. You need 18,000. So again, don't just get the first digit and write it over here. That does not work. Again, count how many digits in the largest number of the expanded form, draw that many lines. You need that many place values. Every single digit is its own place value. Ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Every single digit is its own place value. 2 digits can never share a place value. And then we're going to review the word form. I'm going back at the top, 9,264. 9,000, comma, 264. Sorry about that. 160, put your dash, 4. Remember, when you see that comma, you got to write the word thousand and then put your comma, okay? Next, we have 57,000. So I'm going to write 50-7,000, comma, 132. 130, put your dash, 2. Okay, so that's a little review on our standard form, word form, expanded form. And so I have shown you today how to go from standard to expanded and from standard to word. And then I've also shown you how to go from expanded down to standard into word. Okay? All right, keep up the good work, guys.